So hi everyone, in this video we will going to test an experiment about the Docker Compose and I will install the Antigravity CLI inside the Docker containers and we will see that how it works inside the Docker container. So you can see on the screen that I'm currently in the VS Code. So this is a Docker compose.yml file. Okay, so this is how we can create it. So services, inside services I have given a tag, right? You want to post, and inside that the properties and arguments are like image. So I have given my own image, right? You want to manual. Container name will be as you want to one. Host name you want to one. I want to interactive putty that will be true, which is static. So this will be unless I will stop the container. If I stop the container, it will start, right? And inside the command I have enlisted some several commands which is a prerequisite for creating a Docker container which is fully functional. Okay, so bash hyphen c, and inside this you will see that first thing we will do, we will update the entire OS, right? Then after get install, this will install some prerequisite utilities like ping, vim, curl, vget, wget, and net openss server, right? Then after that I will install the software properties for Ansible. Then I will add the repository, right? And then finally we will install the Ansible, right? So this is user add hyphen m. So I will add Qayyum user inside it. Then I will give the password for the Qayyum user. Then finally we will create a SSD directory, right? And then finally we will start the SSH, right? So the same is also goes for the second container. So this is all. Just I will change the name of the host and container. So we'll get this something like this. Okay. So first of all, what we'll do, we'll see if the Docker engine is running, right? So this is right. Docker is running, and I will show you that how it is. So this is my Docker desktop, right? So currently you can see these are the uh, available images on my system, right? So in containers, currently I will show you that currently no container is running, right? So now what we will do, we need to ensure that the Docker Compose file is in the current app, right? This is a Docker Compose file, right? Now Docker Compose hyphen s and compose.yml up and hyphen do. Okay, so this will start the Docker Compose, right? So you can see Docker network Docker underscore default is created. This is a Docker default network, okay, inside which our containers will be connected, right? Now we will wait for both the containers to be up, then we will see the next step. So you can see it has been created, right? Now gonna do Docker PS. So you can see both the containers are up, right? So I will see inside the Docker log first. Docker log connect. Let's see what is happening inside the Ubuntu. Okay. So what Ubuntu what? Now let's see the Ubuntu. Docker logs hyphen f Ubuntu. Okay, there is also the update on all this stuff is running in the background. So this is the first step to get ready the containers, Docker containers, as a prerequisite, right? After that, we'll see. So guys, what we will do, we are inside our first Docker container, right? So for getting the anti-gravity installed, we will copy this code, right? Copy this code and just paste it here, and it will start installation of the anti-gravity CLI. So we have to wait for some time. Also, we can do the same on the other node, which is right. I will switch the user, our own user, and then click here, and it will start the installation of anti-gravity CLI on the other node also. Okay, so we have to wait for some time. And meanwhile, we can do one thing. We can copy this code and we will create an alias. Okay, alias AG1. Then paste it here. Insert the bash RC script. Okay. So in advance, I'm doing this. So once this installation complete, we will paste this code and it will create an alias inside of bash RC script, so that we don't need to give the entire this entire path to access the anti-gravity CLI. So that's why. So once we will wait for this to be completed. Once this is completed, we will go forward with it. Okay. And I will show you that how to log in inside the EGY using the either the Google OAuth or Google Project. So we do have both the options there. So let's see. Once this is completed, we will go forward. And by the way, it does not require the sudo access. Okay. So it is better to only install this utility inside your user. Okay. That is not in the sudo group or in privilege group, so that your environment will be safe, right? So you can see the so you can see that this is already there. So instead of doing the above, what we will do, we will copy this path and paste it to create a shortcut of this UI. Let's see is UI will load or not. Meanwhile, this is also done. We will do the same. Again, we will AGY. Right? Okay, so we are inside this. Okay, so it has been done with the login purpose. Now we will choose the OAuth, Google OAuth, right? And I just click Control and then mouse click, and it will land you on the website on the anti-gravity CLI auth, right? Just choose the account. I just sign in. I just copy this code and paste it. You can see this authorization code. Just paste it here and it will land you to the AGY console, right? That is signing you in. Okay, terminal. Press yes. and then hit done here, and then you click on is yes, I trust this folder, because everything will be execute from here. So just hit enter and say yes. Okay. So you can see we are in the HUI functional. Now next we can do the same on our another node. Just click control and mouse click, open it into the website, and it will land you to this. Select the account again. Again sign in, and this will do the same. We will again copy the code and paste it there on the second Docker container, and then we are ready to use the okay. Then we are ready to use Antigravity CLI on both the Docker containers. So here simply I have shown you that how to use this and set up. Yes, okay, done. So we are ready on both the machines. Okay, show me that is usage. Okay, hit enter, and it will keep on doing that. It will prompt for your permission. Say yes. Okay. So you can see it giving you the right. You can again do the same. Okay. Yes. Yes. Alright. Well, do install on on the other node or other Docker container. We are asking the anti-gravity CLI to check if the Oracle DB is installed or not. So it will do the same. Okay. Again, it will prompt for the permission. Give yes. Again, yes. Yes. Yeah. 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 Okay. So it is running. Yes. 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 That's why it is doing it. Okay. So after all this prompt and everything, it given us this result that Oracle database is not installed on this system. Here are the details. Okay. So you can see all these details are empty and not existent. So this is how we can do the setup of anti-gravity CLI immediately. The capital of Oracle, Oracle line 3 okay. We can see that which model it is using. It is using a Gemini 2.5 Flash video, right? So actually, it is given us the blueprint that how the you can see what it is fantastic. Actually. So we can see right. You want to 24.02 WHL. Yes. So on the website, it's shown us that we can install the 90C Ubuntu on the 24.04, right? Yes, hardware-wise, your system is fully capable of handling Oracle Database 96. However, software-wise, installing it natively on your current operating system, Ubuntu, it is not officially supported and requires complex workaround. Here is a breakdown of your system. Hardware capability. So it actually scan my guest, right? My host itself, my guest operating system and hardware. It shows that you have 15 GB of total RAM, 13 GB free, right? Oracle 19C require minimum 1 to 2 GB of RAM with 8 GB of recommended for dev support. Disk space. You can see you have 950 GB of available disk space. Okay. Oracle 19C requires approximately 10 GB. So it is good. CPU, we have 8 virtual CPUs. Okay. Intel Core i5. It also search for which processor my laptop is using. So it is i5 8250, right? And the spare space, you have 4 GB of spare. Okay. And Oracle need 15 GB, right? So this is how it will. An operating system, you can see that your system runs U1 to 24 ideas inside WSL. Oracle 19C is only certified on enterprise Linux distributions such as Oracle Linux and Rail, SUSE Linux, SLS. Setting up a native install on Ubuntu is generally discouraged because of these missing prerequisite packages, library paths, and all these kernel parameters. So you can see, and this is a recommended path via Docker, highly recommended, right? It also shown us that what is the way we can install our Oracle database, right? Using the Docker console, right? Oracle Linux. So this is all we can choose. So hope guys this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.